good evening, good day. Regardless where you go join me watch this live stream or the recorded one. This is Costa Capital. I'm with you right here on Costa Capital JVAN FX. Right here on YouTube. Today now Friday. Yes. Today now the day where we go wrap up the market for today and for this week. And so far we get big news wey we dey expect, no be so? Yes, big news, full ground, yafu today. So we go check the news and then we go see so far wetin we expect based on our individual trading style, based on our individual trading position wey we don take so far, or maybe we don even comot for the market then we dey plan to trade the news. Alright, first of all, this stream no be investment stream advice. Trade according to your strategy and according to your style, according to your personality. Alright, so the yen, I think the yen showed some weakness yesterday after the whole strength wey e pull throughout this week. Yeah, last week too, and then e can't fail yesterday, and then today we get holiday, German bank holiday. So not be Europe holiday, na just German bank holiday, right? And later today we get the full gist of the news. All of this, we get that of GBP, we get the US dollar, and the US dollar could crown up for today, right? So we will prepare ourselves. That one will be about like in the next how many minutes? Let's just say from 9:30 upward, 10:30 all the way go, right? So we're ready. So far we'll check which of the currency pair is strong today, at least right now. Wow. Now New Zealand I strong so far, as we see for here. So New Zealand I the strongest, followed by Euro and AUD right here. Yes. So the weakest yen, followed by Canada and the US dollar they weak. Okay. So maybe we enter market and we see the weekly plan say long for AUD card. So how they be for AUD card so far? So AUD card na long, we buy for throughout the week, so money making machine, right? All the way from here, like this. Kudos to us with our analysis on this one, and we're not going to talk much because we need to get ready for the news. So on the monthly time frame, I remember I talked about this swing high where they say once the market close above this swing high, the market will continue to buy. And as you see, so last month candle close above this swing high, right? This doji swing high here. Okay, so we get the swing low, swing high, and then low. So lower low, lower high, lower low, and higher high, right? So now the drill that say this market for me continue to push all the way up to this level. So unless all of this place will hold price, alright, all of this place will hold price drop down. Until then, this market will still buy even next week. Okay, see how beautiful big candle here. So somehow this market here the signal sell already, but still the market still there on the buy side. Okay, so in the future we expect price to fall down to this level. USD CHF. So I said short, right? Yeah, Mumumi. Unfortunately, the market buy. So I suppose don't see that buy already. Anyways, it is what it is. So the market will buy sure. So maybe next week too, it will drop. But anyhow, next week 7 is smell buy. Yeah, next week still is smell buy. So it will still be buy next week. We have to look up. And EOD people are short, right? And the market sell. Then we see where hopefully the news will disrupt down. We'll still expecting the market will still stay on this sell for this week. Because no doubt we expect them to fall, daily time frame. Yes, so as predicted, unfortunately, we check very well. So we get consolidation, 1, 2, 3, 4 breakout. A breakout and a retest and further drop by next week, hopefully. Let's say, excuse me. Unless say for any reason this market won't choose to continue this consolidation, right? But if not, this area can sell for next week. Alright. So good for me. This bullish engulfing candle low don't terminated right here. So I believe sales coming in there. We get bearish engulfing, and this candle, if we come out this candle like 4 times for inside this bearish candle, it shows say this bearish candle is a strong one, a correct strong candle. So hopefully next week, hopefully, right? And don't forget, say we see there for market still respect this demand zone from here all the way, right? So maybe finally it will break and then it will begin sell. This guy finally he say, oh yeah, time don't reach to sell. He don't sell. So waiting with the drill shorts this time around. Finally, hopefully, we still maintain the supply area for here, right? This bearish engulfing. And now market on the drop. Bullish, strong bullish. Hopefully the bulls and we don't happy see that they in control of this market. But at the same time, we will not forget 3 advancing soldier or 3 white soldier candlestick pattern bullish. So this market long term hopefully will come back here for a retest. So we'll see as we play out. Because now on IBD, this psychology behind this movement. And again, hopefully we will get further buys in the future. So if this market go reverse, these 3 guys will push go up, so hopefully we won't see bearish engulfing. Maybe we will achieve it. If we achieve it, then that means in the nearest future the market will come to this area from here, then it will begin to go down. Hopefully guys. Weekly time frame, now the straight they happen, so market will buy. They try to give us signal. It will be correct shooting star. Hopefully we don't know where that one will happen. If this kind will really give us a shooting star, if it give us a shooting star almost, we want to look for sell. Alright. Give me 1 second, let it come out there. Sorry. So on the daily time frame, come on, what the heck? Maybe we will achieve 3 dark crow candlestick signal. So this market now, so hopefully now here they come. And the 50% of this candle, we get the imbalance right here, inefficiency within this candle. Market never trade within this. So if we achieve it will be 1, 2, 3. That's 3 dark crow. Bearish candlestick signals. That one a long-term move. So we will prepare ourselves for future sales, right? Future sales. Market they come for down. No time. So right here, so the market don't make you don't see, so you don't break this low. Change your structure, maybe that. So we get high here, we get low, then we get high for here, right? So the market don't terminate down like that. So that calls for a sell. Although it move gradually. Now sell be that. See, so chairman AUDUSD, the drone along, right? Yes, long. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from down here. It's a beautiful buy, right? We'll make tons of money. Now, the market do for you. Waiting will happen. 2 things. Sell the market buy or you sell. No doubt. And then on the daily time frame already, I believe say there is a chance say this guy is a caller. This market. This news will come out, so there's a chance it will good. Now we US don't enter inside of shut down, and then they call it shut down. I don't know how that one will affect their currency, but anyway, this doji star, a beautiful signal for sell, and the market sell. And when the market does sell, so as this market close below also, I fear for that sales, which is okay if you sell. Anyways, now the buy. Now I don't understand if you go buy. Now the news will be wishy-washy, like whiplash, you go up, go come down, so you go this stable, you go one-sided, right? Hopefully, not really watch. But the direction so far, not bad. And we know so we get this, like I talked on Wednesday, this 3 dark crow, bearish candlestick signal for sell. And the market so far don't retrace to that level where normally this the methodology behind this candlestick signal. Now say the market will retrace towards the middle candle of those 3 dark row before the market will sell. So far a retrace come here and you sell, and then don't come there again, and that area still they hold for resistance. And with this candle and this, hopefully in the future we won't see sell to the downside. If you go hold, if that sell go happen, man, I don't like giving a million more. I don't know, but so far they smell sell. Weekly on the other hand, right here, so we get so far the market look draw. It look draw for here with this. So I suspect say this market probably will sell small. If the news good, it will sell, go push come down like this. Week go dey here, body candle go dey here. If that one happen, hopefully we will smell sell by next week. But as a day like this, so this weekly candle we no go get week for under, so now buy. And I notice the market really buy. See so at the level with that. So far, weekly short-term trend and the market wave now up as I see like that. So while for here on the monthly short-term trend and market wave all everything down. Now this thing also gives something like 3 dark crow back in time, but so far the market I expect a retest to this level, which I believe it never reached yet, but now area, we'll say now area. But anyhow, sure, if I say the market don't reach that area, then believe me, this bearish pressure from the week will send us go down. But if not, the bullish strength from the candle, the size of the candle, they smell buy. Okay, they smell buy. So we will see how the market will play out. So we're gonna be careful, CAD JPY. No CAD JPY, CAD CHF, waiting my drill for there. CAD CHF short and stay out. And so far, we check weekly. weekly the market gap come down, so therefore it's supposed to drop. When the first gap come down, come sell, buy, and now you want to sell. So the sell makes sense, card JPY for here, card JPY say short, the market short, weekly time frame I believe, so the market sell. So this hanging man for key level of support work. Hanging man for key level of support, the market drop nicely, beautifully. Oh boy, a man or roll, that's a nice one. And again for here, you see that nice beautiful dark crow, 3 dark crow, right? So normally the market supposed to retest this area. So maybe one of the reason, I suspect say one of the reason why the market no return to test this area, because normally it's supposed to come here for test this, because already before this candle fall, he already tested with the week, you see. So we got so you already test them from the week here, so maybe that's the reason why, but hopefully next week we'll still expect more push to the upside, because already as it stands to be for here now, so on the daily, yesterday we see this spinning top, right? This spinning top means now warning, early warning for those wey dey sell this market, early warning say more na get ready o, be like say buy wan dey come in the future, and I see as well the market buy before e come dey push go down. So if this candle, for example, for any reason this market close like this, for example, then we would expect further buys to the upside, right? And I'm not going to say the market fit no sell, but more reasonable scenario now, buy. Yeah, we will get bearish pressure, right? So the market fit push corner small before it can go up again. But next week, if the market close like this, like body candle like stays like this, this market for me, well, I buy. Because no doubt, back in time we get this nice bullish candle we have here. So all of this area like this, market never trade into this area, and finally now waiting the market come do for here. So it makes sense, say this 50% area of this candle, right? This bullish candle we have back in time, it makes sense when the market trade into that area. And now when the market not trade come into that area, so they then establish a level of support. And with this spinning top candlestick signal, na sign of the reversal of this movement will come down. So see strong movement will come down. This one don't tell us say reversal will become early signal, candlestick signals. So more are they very careful. Alright, so next week hopefully we will see buy. If we go for 4-hour time frame, hopefully we will see and see the market already prepare for the buy. So we get on the 4-hour time frame already. Extension, the red line, right? Extension, retracement, extension. So after a low, a high must come. So after an extension leg, we supposed expect a retracement. So if we use 50% Fibonacci level like this, for example, I would expect say make the market buy from here, and as soon as so you don't buy already to come this anywhere this area here before I begin sell. And for me it makes sense, because if you look back in time here, see this we get what we get here, we get 3 dark crow on the 4-hour time frame. So now see so we get 3 dark crow, bearish engulfing, 3 dark crow, 1, 2 and 3. So the market now don't retrace go towards this area. So probably if you come here, we'll go down again, then we'll go up. And we will not forget also, right? Even inside here too, we get strong movements here. So we get this 50% of this strong bearish candle back in time. Hopefully like this, where the market will do it, will retrace to before we'll see the drop. Alright, so more than take and play. I'm not go. I'm not going to take and play. I'm not prepare on myself. So even self this area too self now, waiting in the corner. as you more now. You see, and so you get this supply area for here. So the market fit decide to push here before it sell in the future, which me I go like see anywhere within this area next week. If market come in and to do it in and to sell am straight down, no time. I beg you, and to sell am, man go share you. So anyhow, the sell dey happen for this week so far, and CHF JPY wetin be the drill? The drill too na short. Alright, CHF JPY. I go say long. Unfortunately, guys, na me cause am. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this 3 dark row, I expected market go buy, but mo go okay, yeah. Last week, end of Friday, see, so we get spinning top, we get hanging man. So these two candle only don't give the sign of sell already. You understand? So these two candle don't say enough is enough. Spinning top happen here, the market no respond, e buy. Hanging man candlestick pattern, it happen here, the market no respond, e buy. E sell, e respond back with buy. So I like wetin come be the difference. Now the difference make I explain. Alright? The difference na just like this hanging man happen here. Na beautiful sign. Say the market go sell, but the market buy. In the past, the market happen here, hanging man, and the market waiting, it sell. Now, the difference between all of this hanging man signal wey dey happen for all of this place wey suppose sell, na say when this hanging man happen, this doji spinning top candlestick pattern come happen. That one na the sign say this week I for predict short for this market. If I say I don't read that candlestick anyways, I still dey learn like many of una. So I go make tons of mistake even with this, some of the few analysis. But hopefully once I don't make that mistake, I no go make am twice again, unless say for some reason I no dey stable to do the analysis, now I go make mistake. But if I dey stable to do the analysis, so now the mistake that be this, if not I for predict short. Alright, but anyway, I no go get everything right. Even if I predict correctly with the candlestick signal, the support and resistance area, with the trend, the market wave, and the short-term trend, even if I predict everything right, the market fit still no go my direction because of manipulation. But anyways, you get wetin they call random distribution. For me, na manipulation I dey call am. You understand? So anyhow, it is what it is. Shey, Euro AUD, mo see. Euro AUD, the draw here and I say Euro AUD long. So from Euro AUD down to Euro AUD here, all the way down to JP card, I predicted long, right? Okay, just to make them fast, so we no go come back here. So Euro AUD we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The market sell, right? Because the AUD they very, very strong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here and here and here and here. So this one on Tuesday. So we get this spinning top here back in time last week Tuesday, bearish engulfing, beautiful bearish engulfing. So Thursday and Friday. So this now just the retest of this area. So I suppose predict short, just as I predict long on AUD CAD, AUD CHF, and AUD USD. Supposed to predict short because that one I say the Aussie dollar will get strength, and it makes sense to make the market sell through, and now I don't sell, we don't miss that one. Then this one too I say long anyways. I decided to stay for the long side, and the market actually bought a buy like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this market actually supposed sell, based on we get some kind of movement here will happen, but on Friday this market I settle the situation. On Friday, don't give us this bullish candlestick for here, put the bulls back in trend. So I don't fit say talk any other thing than predict long, and I'll see the market is still buy. So today we will see how this market will close, because already as it be for here, so as I see, so this market as it dey like this, all this na sign of sell. All this, even despite the market dey go up, na sign of sell. So the way this market will close today will determine also how we will see the market move next week. But then we'll also check the monthly, we'll check the weekly, because we will get some clue. Alright, and we'll check the 4-hour time frame, maybe too. Alright. So this one too will predict long, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way from here. All the way from here. So this market gap go up. So this market from here, the gap come down. And this thing will happen here, they happen most of the time. So the market gap come open for below 50% of this Friday candle. This is a Friday candle, right? Last week. So when this market come below round, open below round, so it's up now a signal for sell. Now the what do you call that? From here, see, so the market open. You open for here, you see, so that sign alone a signal for sell. But unfortunately, this move not happen most of the time. Normally, I'd expect when market come here, it must push go up, and exactly everything it will be that it push go up, and we still be for the buy side, right? So the weekly analysis, we see the winner so far based on the direction, not be trading on, right? Based on the direction. Me, I try for trading. All right, so EUGBP2, I predict long, eh? Yeah, I predict long. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way from here, from this down here. So back in time, we get on Tuesday, last week Tuesday, we get spinning top, and we can't get this one. We give us the sign for sell, but unfortunately, the market push go up. Why? We did inside consolidation, sideways movement because of inside bar. These two, okay, form inside bar. So far, the market respect the support, and we get this bullish candle. So 50% area of that candle, it makes sense make the market buy from that area, which after Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So when Friday close bearish, I still not see any signal for sell apart from I see we get some spinning top candlestick signal back in time, and this area now level of buys. But unfortunately, like I talk, even if we predict very good, the market will still do waiting and like. Then on Monday, it can't give us another waiting. It give us another spinning top, and then we get this shooting star will happen for here and close body candle below this one. That one a sign of sell. So even when the market still buy go up, see what happen here, and then now even if the market they buy, well, we still see the sign of what? Of a sell even for next week. Hopefully, then we get inside bar right now. As it be here. So this candle now close inside this candle body, and now this one here. So hopefully next week we won't see for that sell to the downside, because the market must retrace, or probably, right? The consolidation won't continue to happen. If the consolidation won't continue to happen, the market will still fall down. If not, the market will buy. But we'll check on our time frames too to see how far. And EUJPY, shall I predict long, Abby? Yes, I predict long for EUJPY, unfortunately. So I still be a very good learner. Yeah? A good learner. So just the same thing will happen for AUDJPY. You see also we get this one on Thursday, but a little bit different. Now spinning top candlestick with this, right? But then that of I think CADPY and AUDJPY, yes. The difference now. Okay, CHFJPY, yeah. CHFJPY close bearish like this. So we get previously we get hanging man, and then we get bearish spinning top candlestick signal, right? But in this scenario here right now, we get spinning top doji, and we get spinning top bullish because of the color of the body of the candle, right? But this market, all of this play out for key level. We still dey for inside our supply area here. All right, we still dey for our supply area back in time, all the way from here, like this. So, and then we see this dark crow. This is 3 dark crow, massive one, right? So at least we expect the market will play within this area before we see sell next week. All right. So anyways, we missed that one analysis like that, and you long, and unfortunately you sell. So we get nice beautiful sell, right? So after a high, a low must come. Now we see so. See and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. So the market buy on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now the market is sell. So there is something where I dey try learn, and when I learn and finish, I go share with you now also. Now bullish candle, right? Bullish candle as resistance or bearish candle as support, because in the past I no fit just predict say this market e go do wetin, e go sell because of the trend, the market wave, and the short term trend. You know, the bullish candle, everything looks beautiful, good, the market dey buy, so definitely it's supposed to buy. And now the market break out of key level of support, I mean past resistance on the CISO. So it break out of her. So the proper way to buy this market now to continue to, you know, just anytime the market retrace, I go buy. So now this retracement wey wan happen now, so how far it go go, I don't know, but e be like say retracement dey come. But anyway, we missed that one. And AUD USD, I said long, so maybe the news go scatter everything today with this candle we don play out yesterday, I mean last weekend. Now the market don buy, maybe you go come sell to turn this candle to bearish candle. And again, this market from here, a gap go up, come here, come sell, come buy, now I sell again, now I see the buy, right? Yeah, so the analysis is good for long, but hopefully in the future we'll see sell. And GBP AUD is crazy market, crazy market. We do it, me no be small, put it long, but now it sell. So it be like you say retracement don dey come, like from the Monday time frame perspective. Okay, so you get wetin I dey study from here to here. You get wetin I dey study where I dey try understand, because I dey try understand the candlestick. I dey try understand the market, okay, how the market moves when it comes to using candlestick signals to tell us wetin e wan do, right? You know, say na participants of retail traders, professional traders all around the world, right? Banks, events, hedge funds, and the rest. So how did they trade the market ups and downs? So after the market don close, like after that session don close, wetin that session mean? The wick, the frequency, the size of the candle, the color of the candle, they tell us wetin the market wan do next. So now we get for here, we get inside bars from here like this, okay, and now we get the hanging man, and we get hanging man. So this hanging man be like spinning top hanging man. So this was a signal for sell. Even when this one buy, they still push price come down the Monday time frame, and then finally the market don't break, and now we don't see a retest of the breakout. So at this point in time, I would expect nothing more than a sell. Okay, now I don't know how far this retracement could go, but as it be like this now, so I smell, you know, they smell the sell, and we get break of structure right here, right? They smell sell in the future, and this are the monthly, so we get short-term trend and market wave all the way to the upside, as we see for here, right? Yep. right here. Okay, and weekly on the other hand, you see say weekly already on the trend. You see we get higher highs, higher lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. So right now, see say market dey down, short term trending, right? And now we dey for this level. So I'd expect more sales for inside this one, even if we predict long for the week. So far the market choose to stay down. So we dey within this area right now. Hopefully, maybe next week we'll see buy. Or finally today with the news, maybe this market could break this level, it will sell. GBP card long for the week, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here the market buy nicely. That's good. And now the market already produce inside bar candlestick signal for here already. And we see this one too for here. And this candle dey inside this body. So now wetin be that? Inside bar. Alright, so we'll watch carefully. If the market come here, hopefully we will expect to see a breakout, retest to continue the price, or further you will see sell to the downside. And market wave, extension increase rate extension. So if the market hopefully extension, it don't pull back here before, so maybe it will continue to pull all the way up right there. GBP CHF, wetin be the drill? So GBP CHF I said short, but it be like you say the market will buy. GBP CHF on the daily right here. So the market buy, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from down here. So the market gap come down here on Monday. This market support sell. Alright, according to the psychology, right? It come down, it opened below 50% of this candle, but unfortunately we see the market buy. Right? So by next week further buys, hopefully we will see. So CAD, GBP JPY, GBP NZD and GBP USD all buy for the week as predicted, including NZD CAD. Alright, let's check that out. Unfortunately, this one sell because the yen dey strong. Yeah. So maybe the wetin I go call am. I'll take this one out from here because now inside bar on the weekly. So maybe consolidation will be the hope. Okay. Let's see. Support resistance. So maybe we won't see the market fall down to this level. Monthly time frame. So back to the monthly time frame here. I see signal for sell. So we get hanging man, then we get shooting star, and then now we are like this. So hopefully we will see more sales towards this area, right? Weekly on the other hand, so we get this beautiful hanging man, and this candle close below ram and sell. It's alright. But the short-term trend inside the consolidation, the market is misbehaving. So I still predict long. Unfortunately, this one happened. With this candle, with this bullish candle last week, bullish engulfing, it refused to go up. So, and the yen come this strong, push price come down. And so far, we be like we still be for inside this movement for here, but we are inside back candlestick signal here back in time, and then we still dey locked in that place. Hopefully the market try to break out with this candle but refuses, and now this is bearish engulfing don't put things back in place. So we see the inside this consolidation now be 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully next week we'll see the market buy go up again, because already the market don't form your own consolidation for year 2 right now. This one too we predict long, right? So we get weekly time frame here. US service PMI forecast to show sustained momentum in September. Euro USD is holding above the blah 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 mark area. Anyway, it is what it is. So long for the week, unfortunately, the market sell, right? Yeah. So we see massive after the buy, Then we get 4 days sell. It is what it is. And GBP USD to long, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. And you buy for 3 days, it sell for 1 day, and now we are locked right here. So with the news when they come out, we'll see how this one will play out, hopefully. And we get inside bar, and then the market is still inside bar still. So hopefully the market won't move sideways for some time. But I smell buy still in the future. Yeah, the smell buy because of how many candle we get for inside here will be bullish. We get 1, 2, 3, 4. We get one as bearish, and now this is bullish. How this one will close this week, today, being a Friday, will determine if this market will sell or it will buy, go to the upside. Alright. NZD card, buy for the week. It's a beautiful buy. Beautiful buy. And I catch some clips with this one. Anyways, before I go out. But the market, me when we say even buying the market, because I did not trade with this. But guess what, guys? I come outside. The market don't reach here. Don't take me. It can't come here. Oh, Bobs, I just come outside from here. So the market can't play. Finally, it can't go up. So me for trading, I'm not too smart like that for trading. But for analysis, I did try. But for trading, I suck. Alright? But I did work on that. Hopefully, I know so I could do fine. Alright, guys. So beautiful one from the week beginning, right? Alright, so NZD CHF, waiting with the drill. So NZD CHF short. NZD JPY short. NZD CHF short. Really? Oh, Bobs, short nothing. Wait to make me predict short. So let's see, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how so number 4 then. We get spinning top here. So this spinning top, don't tell me see this market will buy. Only this spinning top for key level of support back in time. We'll check weekly time if I say key level of support. So we don't get monthly bands, right? We don't get monthly bands. So after this beautiful movement and this one, I suppose not say the market will buy. With waiting the daily, they tell me already, So sometimes waiting we don't see for the smaller time frame, we'll see for the higher time frame. At the same time, waiting we don't see for the higher time frame, we'll see for the smaller time frame. That's how the market they work. Okay. So far, sometimes I make that mistakes. Okay, but so far, hopefully next week I will do more better than this week. More better. I know say I do very well for this week when it comes to the analysis of the direction. I know. But next week hopefully I'll do more better, I guess. And new months we did, so we have to, start the month and the week in a very good way, hopefully. So the market buy, right? Okay. And you waiting the drill. NZD JPY is supposed to be short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. So I got 1, 2, 3 candle nice sell so far, and now we did here. So the market won't retrace, right? So nice one, right? Nice one. So even if I get a spinning top for key level here, I still predict short because already the market must make that low, and it don't give the sign say it will make that low already. Lower high, and then the market can't move sideways for here. So after the sideways movement, the market must continue the direction. So that the scenario where I use will make me pretty sure that the market sell. NZD USD long, no doubt. Long. Shana long I predict. Yes, stay out. I'm not supposed to stay out. I'm supposed to buy this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already we get the spinning top doji candle for key level of support, no doubt. So, test this nice bullish. And again, back in time, we get 3 advancing soldier, white soldier. We get 1, 2, 3. See, so the market never even retest this level. I expect them to come here. But unfortunately, when you reach here, so beautifully, the market must buy. It makes sense make it buy because he don't sell last week where we're not be small. Last 2 weeks and last week he sell. So it means say make it get a breathing space, and again we get inside bar here where the market breakout. I expect a retest, and the market really do a good job right there. And this one I said long, but unfortunately it dropped. It dropped. So we missed the index direction. USD card. USD card. So USD card and USD card long, USD CHF short, USD JPY short. Right? So you long, right? And so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. So you first sell, you can begin to buy, right? And you, I say short. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. So you sell, you can buy, now you sell, right? And you too, I say short. And now the market sell beautifully. Alright, so I try for the analysis so far. I know say I go do well. I at least I credit myself small for analysis. And because I know say with my analysis I can do pretty good job to help us, at least my fellow traders for Nigeria and then the rest of the continents, right, of our cable land, so that when I go fit get to see the market clearly as soon as always they see the market, just for me to add one of my few knowledge, join with you when I know already, so that we go all do well for inside this business. All right. So right here also we get this beautiful, as I mark them out, bullish engulfing. Beautiful. Now when the market will break that low of that bullish candle, Emma go sell on the ground. So we get 3 dark row, 1, 2, 3, and this candle go already retest already. So even if the market still push go up again, we expect further sell from here. All right, and with that now with the market already build this level, see also inside bar here. I'm gonna check. Yeah, inside bar. Market don't build. So this one inside this candle body like this. So if the market push come up here, we'll look for sell go down. Alright? And again, you see as the market respects that what do you call that? Supply area here. We come all the way from here. So I pick them from the higher time frame, No. A supply area, yeah. And the market will respect that. So we back in time, see this beautiful bearish engulfing. And this market can retest that area of this bearish engulfing. So therefore we're supposed to see, massive sell. So this is now 3 mountain, it's a three mountain top. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now chart pattern. Okay. Alright, we'll quickly round up from here. Quickly check USD ZAC. So the drill about USD ZAC now. Waiting. Here you go. Long. Alpha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the market is sell. So we miss this analysis. Alright. And what else? Okay, we get I'm gonna check this one later. I'm gonna check gold and Bitcoin. So gold, the drill now long, right? So far I buy, and Bitcoin I said short, but during the week I reversed that short. Right, I reversed that short during the week, but unfortunately now we time pretty during the weekend, so we lost the weekly analysis direction for Bitcoin, right? But on Monday I talk, and when I say this market go buy, right? But already I'm not sure, I don't predict I'm already for weekend, but so far after checking it again I saw the buy. So this one Saturday, this one Friday. Okay, so after Saturday and Sunday, Monday, I know this market is a buy, and we get inside bar here. So the breakout and retest, wow, right? S&P 500 and S&P 500. So short I said for all of them, but so far the market no agree for, right? Yeah, no agree for. So like this, I don't find difficult to guess this market direction. So now it's also buy, just buy. And you too, I said short, so it's still buy. USDT short is still buy, right? Tesla, last week Tesla buy, right? Yeah, last week Tesla buy. Just yesterday, Tesla, see wetin happen for Tesla. Just yesterday, wetin happen? I don't know. Hmm. Shantana, if you are there, I don't know what happened right here. I didn't keep in touch with Tesla for some days now. I don't know what happened here, but this is crazy and this is huge. So if you're gonna watch this video, we have new month, right? So let's quickly check. Okay, I see. We have this beautiful uh, supply area here. So like I said, I'll be expecting Tesla to get to this top here before it falls down. But anyhow, it got to this level and it started pulling down for whatsoever reason. I don't know, but that move on the daily is large. So we get higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So after a high, it must come. So on the weekly time frame, we are seeing nice resistant area like this, right? 1, 2, market resisted here, and now 2, it's responding to that resistance right here, right? Hopefully, if you and I have time over the weekend, we'll talk about it. Okay. All right, my fellow Niger traders, it's been a very very nice time with you guys with this session. So, like I always talk, Coastal Capital is looking for traders. So if you have interest, connect with the boss. Okay, connect with the manager. They have the capital to share with you guys. But first, you must present on a waiting on a result. Okay, live result, not demo result. Live result. So we're gonna connect with the manager. If I get interest, they have the capital to offer to you guys. Okay. All right, guys. We're gonna take care and enjoy our weekend. So next week we'll come back to the market. But before then, we prepare our business and prepare for next week. All right. So we'll still catch some good news hopefully by next week. All right. It's nice keeping it real with you guys. Mona, take care. Mona, have a nice weekend. And Mona, prepare for the week ahead. All right. Mona, not flex. Forget say. Mona, go prepare for the week ahead. All right. Until next week, Mona, stay put. Mona, take care. Enjoy yourself. This is Coastal Capital with you guys, JVAN.